Welcome back to another episode of Spilling the Tea with the Henna Guys. Today's video is called How I Naturally Color My Hair with Henna, Red Henna on Long, Medium, Dark Brown Hair. And her channel is called Lena Marie 91. And her link, if you want to see the original video, is down below. Alright, so let's get started. I can't believe it's already March. The time is really flying by so fast. I just cannot believe it. The year is like almost, the first quarter is almost coming to an end. Wow. So, no hot water. You need to leave out a henna paste for 8 to 10 hours, but if it's the browns, then it's different. But all the reds need to be left out 8 to 10 hours. I love outside lighting when you apply henna and you go outside and then you see, I just love how the sunlight hits the hair. It's different. Okay, right to it like that. Yes, the roots, definitely. Oh, so it's been a while since she did it. She didn't need to do it so sooner, huh? Okay. It's just music, so I really don't need that much. You can hear me more. So that's her method of doing it. Obviously you go from the roots, and what I like to do is take one section, go from the roots, do it all the way, roll it up, clip it. You have a bobby pin or alligator clips, and then go to the next and then clip it all over. So she's just applying it to her roots only for now. So it seems like then she's gonna do like a mass color with the rest of her hair. Yep, that's what she's doing. Yeah, definitely want to make sure you're wearing something that you're okay for the henna to stain on your clothes. Okay, yep. I like to do a shower cap and then a microfiber towel. Oh, see, she even covered even more. 1 hour, yep. She's right, it has to be 3 hours. Very pretty, very pretty. See, I love how henna, the sunlight just touches your hair. I just love it. It's just so vibrant, so lush, so shiny. Just love it. I liked her video. It was short, it was precise, it was just right to the point. She's like, hey, let's do this. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and we're done. Her video was nice. I'm sure she has more videos like this, so definitely check out her video. That was for today. It was short and sweet. Till next time, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you later. Bye.